If you're a physiotherapist, then you need to hear this. It's time to take your career to the next level with MedJoin's Advanced Fellowship Program. Are you a passionate physiotherapist looking to stand out in the competitive healthcare industry? Do you want to enhance your skills, gain specialized knowledge, and make a real impact? Then, a fellowship in physiotherapy is your ticket to excellence. Imagine this: specialized training in high-demand areas like sports rehabilitation, neurology, orthopedics, and cardiopulmonary physiotherapy. MedJoin's fellowship program bridges the gap between academic learning and hands-on application, ensuring you become a highly skilled professional. Why MedJoin? We offer a blended learning approach, combining online modules with practical clinical experience. You'll learn from industry leaders, gain valuable mentorship, and build a network that opens doors to new opportunities. But that's not all. Our program emphasizes research and innovation, empowering you to contribute to the advancement of physiotherapy. Plus, we provide career support services like resume building and job placement assistance to help you succeed every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap towards specialization and professional growth. Transform your future with MedJoin's Fellowship in Physiotherapy. Visit www.medjoinhealthcare.in or contact us at +91637-0182504 for more details. The future of physiotherapy awaits you. End on a motivational note. Dream big, work hard, and let MedJoin help you achieve greatness in your physiotherapy career. Enroll today.